Hey y'all, today I'm going to show you a 6-step process for repairing lawn damage, as well as my one secret weapon for fixing those small bare spots in your grass. So, grab your work gloves and I'll see you in the backyard. It's been a couple days since the concrete for the shed was poured, and it looks good, but my yard is a mess. So, it's time to get to work. Now my grass is really matted down in this area from all the heavy equipment. So, the first step is just to rake it up. Stand the grass blades up and remove all the debris and grass that's too heavily damaged to be salvaged. After I finish raking it up, I'll run over my lawn with the mower. This will help to further stand up the blades of grass, as well as chop up and break down all the dead grass that remains. But not until after I pick up all the rocks and debris that the contractors left behind.
You guys make salads with those?
Oh yeah.
Come see the size of those bell peppers. It's garden bell peppers.
Holy cow, that's perfect.
Dad, do you want to see the size of our bell pepper now? Come here. Oh my God.
Look at that.
Then we got a cube and now the harvest right here.
I think I'd be fine with losing my hearing. But the my ear canals are still searing from your words. No, I don't want to stop interfering, but I wonder if all that's gonna do is make it worse. I think I'd be wrong to blame it all on you.
Could be.
Couldn't have known I wanted.
All done raking. Looks a lot better to me, except maybe for that area over there. But that's going to get replanted in the fall. This area, it still looks kind of rough, but it's mostly just dirty and a little bit matted down. But after I mow it and water it, it'll look green, it'll stand up again, and within a week, this will recover nicely. Any patchy spots though, I have a trick for fixing that. It takes just a couple minutes and looks good as new within a day or so. Now after mowing, I'm going to give the lawn a little bit of water. A little water goes a long way to fix most problems in the lawn. I like to water in the morning if I can, because that helps to prevent fungus. This gives your lawn a little time to dry out during the day and keeps it from being wet for too long overnight. I like to water deeply and infrequently, forcing the roots to go deeper down where the water is rather than shallow. This makes your grass more drought tolerant, and you really want to shoot for about 1 inch of water per week. And now for my secret weapon for repairing those small bare spots in the grass. It is a weed puller. I use this for pulling broadleaf weeds, stuff like dandelions, but it also pulls very nice 4-inch long, 2-inch wide plugs of grass that we can use to patch those small bare spots, such as here and here. And it's so easy, seriously, a child can do it. So I'm going to pull up about 5 or 6 plugs with this, just set them to the side, and then we'll go out into the lawn and find some healthy grass, pull some plugs, and drop them in there. This is honestly one of the easiest methods I've found for repairing bare spots in your lawn, whether it be from heavy equipment damage or from pets. We'll just pull up a few plugs and set those aside because we're going to use those later. Watering the ground beforehand makes it easier to pull up the plugs, and it keeps them from falling apart on you. I moved over to a healthier spot in the lawn and pulled up the same number of plugs that I had pulled before and just set those aside. Then I filled the holes that I just made with the plugs that I pulled before. After replacing the grass plug with a piece of dirt from the damaged area and then brushing over the grass, it's like nothing ever happened. Perfect. Now we take the grass plugs that we just created and fill in the bare spots in the yard. It won't completely cover, but after a few waterings and mowing a few times, it will fill in and cover the area nicely. Just make sure to give it plenty of water. Did I mention you need to give it plenty of water? Alright, good. That easy. We'll give it some fertilizer and some more water, and that's it. And within a week, those things will grow out like it never happened. This area will start to thicken up, and my lawn will be back to normal. And then we'll take care of the other 2 really bad spots later on in the fall.
Now, baby. Let's go.
Broken windows, eggshell white, red, rusty brown. And there's a girl, she lives in there. She felt the world change so fast. Things crashed down, clouds rolled in. It was the lowest of the low. A long time ago, now it's now. Broken, but the radio still goes on.
put the grass plugs in, we fertilized, and now we're going to water one more time. Then the last 2 steps will come in the fall. It's August right now, so it's far too hot. So come mid-September, we'll aerate the lawn and then overseed it with some new grass seed. The lawn will grow thick and healthy. You'll never know any of this happened. So right now, let's get some water down on this lawn and call it a day for now. And I'll see you in the backyard.
Choose it, don't lose it, don't let confuse it. Only then you'll be God.